Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our mission today to solve Kangaroo Math Competition questions 2020. Okay, so in this session or in this video, we will explain and solve many questions, okay, in Kangaroo Math Competition questions. Okay, let us start. Now, question number 1, which piece completes the pattern? This is the pattern, and we have a missing square here, as you see. Okay, and you have to know which one of those is the missing square. At the first look, you will confuse, but if you focus a little bit and see the corner here, okay, you have to know that the corner, the upper corner here must be circle, yes, a quarter of circle. Okay, and if you go and looking for here, you have to looking for in this side, you have to looking for a quarter, yes, of circle. Which one has a quarter of circle? Yes, this one, you see. So those answers is not correct, my dear students. So from the first shot we figure out the answer, and the answer is E. Now let us move to this question. As Amira is walking from A town to B town, she passes the 5 sign spots. Okay, this is the sign spots. Okay, one of them is incorrect. So one of them is incorrect. Now if I check the first sign, I will consider this is Amira. Okay, and she looked to the first sign here. She see she needs 2 kilometers to the left, and she needs 9 kilometers to the right. If she moved 2 kilometers, okay, she will arrive to town A. And if she moved to the right 9 kilometers, okay, from here, yes, thank you, she will arrive to what? To town B. So 2 kilometers, sorry, 2 kilometers to the left and 9 kilometers to the right. That's mean the distance between the town A and town B is the total or the sum between the 2 and the 9, and it is 11 kilometers. Okay, so this sign refers that the distance between the town A and B are 11. Now if you check and apply what I did before, you will figure out there are the second sign here, 3 and 8. If you add them, you get 11. Okay, if you go down and check the next sign here also, you will add 5 plus 6, then you get 11 too. If you check the next sign also and add 8 plus 3, you will get 11. But at the last sign here, if you add 9 plus 4, you will get 13. That's mean it is the only different sign, okay, refer to there are a distance 13 kilometers between town A and B, and this is different. So the different one here, it is the last one, and it is not correct because the distance between town A and town B, it is 11, only 11 regarding to the sign A, B and C and D. All of them give 11. 2 plus 9 equal 11. 3 plus 8 equal 11. 5 plus 6 equal 11. 8 plus 3 equal 11. But here 9 plus 4, this is the incorrect, equal 13. So this is the incorrect distance. So the answer is E. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Here. Now, Huda colors each region of the pattern below either red, blue, or yellow. She colors regions that touch each other different colors. So the main point here, the different colors. So if you color this blue, not allowed to color this blue. So you have to select another color and keep working like this. But the first condition here, the only condition here, the outer you have to start with the blue. Okay, now the question is how many colors or how many regions of a completed pattern are colored is blue. So if I start with the blue, okay, and colored the outer, and then I complete with the yellow with a different color, then a different color, what I will get? This is the question. I already colored the pattern as you see here. Okay, I start with the blue one, then the red, then yellow, red, then yellow, okay, then blue, then yellow, red, blue, red. Now the question is how many region you are colored by blue. As you see, how many yellow I have? Okay, how many yellow I have? I have, see, 1, 2, and 3 regions with yellow. So the answer is 3. Okay, my dear students. Now let us take this question. 4 baskets contain 1 and 4 and 6 and 9 apples respectively. How many apples should be moved between the basket to have the same number of apples in each basket? So I have 4 baskets, okay, and he asks you to move apples to make the number of apples equally. For example, as you see here, we have 9 apples here and 6 apples here and 4 apples here and 1 apples here. Okay, you have to share the apples between them equally. That means I have to count, I have to know the total number of apples. So if you add them, you will figure out there are 20 apples in all baskets. And if you divide by the number of basket, it is 4. So each basket must have 5 apples. Yes, so how many apples this basket need to make it 5? Yes, it needs what? 4 apples. You will take it from where? From the richest one here, the basket that have 9 apples. So from here you will get 4 apples. Okay, so the first movement here, I will give from the 9 basket or 9 apples basket 4 apples. Okay, now if I give this 4, this will be, yes, 5, and this will be 5. Now what I can do now, yes, I have to bring one apple from here and put it in this basket. One apple. So let me write it with blue, the same color, sorry. So one apple here, from here to here. Okay, so each one must have 5 apples. Now I share the 20 apples equally. Now how many apples I moved? This is the question. See the question here. How many apples should be moved between the basket? Okay, how many apples you moved? 4 from here to here and 1 from here to here, so the answer is 5. Okay, my dear students, so the answer is 5 apples you moved between the baskets. Now this is a beautiful question, really. A dog and a cat walk in the park along the path marked by the thick black line. The dog starts from P. This is P and this is Q. Okay, at the same time as the cat starts from Q. What is the condition here? The dog walks 3 times as fast as the cat. Yes, as you know, the dog is faster. At which point do they meet? Okay, this is easy. See, if the dog moves 3 steps, this is 1 step. Okay, each block 1 step, 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. That means the cat will move in the same time. The cat will move 1 step. Keep after 3 steps of dogs, the cats move one steps. 3 steps from my dog, the cats will move one step. Keep going like this. Okay, they will meet where? In E. So each time, each 3 steps from the dog, 1 step from the cat. This is from P and this is from Q, and they follow the bold line. Okay, so the answer, they will meet at E. Okay, what else? Good, this is a nice question. C. Khalid has several chains of length 5 and of length 7. Okay, by joining chains one after other, okay, Khalid can create different lengths. Which of these lengths is impossible to make? So you have these chains, okay, you have to join them together. Maybe you join 5 with 5. Okay, maybe you join 7 with 7, or maybe you join 5 with 7. Okay, how I can solve this question? First of all, if you take number A, to make sure it is possible or impossible, this is the chain. Okay, the first chain, it is 5. If you bring another chain with 5, can you get 10? Count 10. So that's mean this is possible, because if you join two chains of 5, you will get 10. But he asked you about impossible, remember. Now what about the 12? How you can form the 12 chain? Yes, you can take 1 of 7 and 1 of 5, so you can form a chain with 12. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so it is possible. Now the 13, if you join 5 with 5 or 7 with 7 or 5 with 7, can you get 13 in any way? No, you cannot. It is impossible. So he asked me about the impossible. This one, it is impossible. So this is the solution. Why the 14 not work? Because I can get it from joining this one twice. By joining this one twice, okay, I will get 14. How I get 15, teacher? It is easy. If you join this one 3 times together, okay, you will get 15. Okay, what we mean by 15, teacher? 15 black, like this one. 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 and 5. Okay, and 5. So this is 15. What is about 14? You can join another 7 from this, another chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I get the 14. But the 13, impossible. You cannot form any number of 5 and 7 to make 13. Okay, now I have this beautiful question. Maryam has 10 sheets. 10 sheets, like this one. 10 sheets of paper. She cut some of sheets into 5 parts. Okay, she select, for example, she select this paper, okay, and decide to cut it into 5 parts, like this. Okay, so how many, the total number of pieces now? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I know it is 9. 10 11 12 13 14. Now how many pieces I have? I have 9 and 5, 14. Okay, my dear student. Okay, let me complete the question. I explained this for a reason. Okay, my dear students, let me come back and draw my 10 square here. Yes, let us come back. Maryam has 10 sheets of paper, like this, again by slow motion. Yes, she cut some of the sheets into 5 parts, as you see before. After that, Maryam has 22 pieces. When she select many papers of here and cut it into 5 parts, the number of all pieces, it is 22 pieces in total. Okay, how many sheets did she cut? This is the question. How many sheets did she cut? Let me take randomly. For example, let me eliminate one by one. Suppose she cut 2 papers. Okay, go here and take 2 papers and cut it into 5 parts. And here, this is the second paper. Okay, into okay, now count the number of pieces. We have 8 here. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 10 here. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. But he looks for 22. So it is not correct. So eliminate this. Okay. Okay. So 22. So cut another square here into 5 parts. Now count. We have 7 here and 10 here, 10 here, 5 and 5, 10, and we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So how many squares she cut? This is the question. How many squares she cut? See, 1, 2, 3 squares she cut. So the answer here it is 3. Okay. Now look at this beautiful question. I have an easy one. A large square is made up of a smaller white and gray squares. What does the large square look like if the colors of the white and gray squares are interchanged? Interchange mean, okay, any gray color you have to change it to white color. And yes, any gray square you have to change it to white, and the white interchange to what? To gray, and the gray interchange to what? To white. Oh my god. So if I interchange all of them, but how I know the right answer, my dear students? You have to check the first row. Which one matching with the first row? Let us check one by one. 2 white, 1 gray. Yes, good. This is one maybe good. Okay, but don't rush. And okay, what about B here? We have 2 whites here up, but here I have 3 gray, so it is impossible. Check here. 2 white, 2 white, 1 gray, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 white. So maybe this. Good. Now here 2 white, 1 gray, and 1 white. So this is maybe. Yes, it's work. What's about this? 2 white, 1 gray, and okay. So I eliminate 1. Now how I can check the next? Okay, switch. The white will be gray, and the gray will be white. White and gray. So I have what? Gray, white, white, gray. Yes. Okay. Gray, white, white, gray. So this is correct. Okay, this is the double check. Now here, gray, white, white, gray, gray, gray. So here it is different. So cancel. So let me eliminate this. Both of them here are not correct. Now let us come here. Now gray, double white, and gray. So double check here. So I get good. And here double check. So I eliminate 2 and I have 3. Now let us make the last one here. Okay, white, it will be white, the gray interchange, and the gray and the white will be gray. Okay, now let us check here. Okay, let us check here from here. The last one, it's different. See, 3 gray, but here I have 2 gray. Yes, so eliminate. So this one is not correct. Here it is double or triple check. Okay, and here it is different, so eliminate it. So the right answer the right answer, it is D. Okay, my dear student. Okay, so this is the right answer, or the correct answer. Okay, did you understand the idea here? It is easy. It is easy. You will be faster to know by look, by check by your eyes. You will figure out. Okay, but just to explain what is the idea of this example. The last two examples here. It is a beautiful example. Let me take it, make it last one. Safa reflect the letter F. You know what is meaning of reflect? Yes, you see this F, okay, will look to at the mirror. Okay, will look at the mirror. See, this is the first reflect. Okay, the second reflect. Yes, it is look like this one. So which one it is? It has a correct answer. C. A, it is not true. B, it is not true match. D, I have here. C, it is different. Oh, E, it is correct. C, this way, and this way, and this way. See? So the answer here, the reflect, it is easy. The F, look, reflect horizontally and vertically. Now the last example, I don't want to take a long time. Jude wants to bake 24 muffins for his birthday party. To bake 6 muffins, okay? So she wanted to bake 24 muffins. And she said to bake 6 muffins, she need what? 2 eggs. And the eggs are sold by boxes of 6. Now the question is, how many boxes does Jude need to buy? Okay, now first of all we have to know how many eggs she need. Yes, it is easy. Okay, how I know? Okay, you said, teacher, you said she need to bake 24. Yes, okay. And you said also 6 muffin needs 2 eggs. Yes, that's mean to make the 24 she need to buy, yes, 8 eggs. Yes, okay, so someone come and select 8. No, why it is not correct? Because he asked about how many boxes. Okay, how I know how many boxes? Yes, he told you, okay, the box holds 6 eggs. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. Okay, and you said one box hold 6 eggs. Yes, what about the 2 eggs? You need to, he ask you about the boxes. That means you need to buy 2 boxes. Okay, okay, so the answer here is B. He need to buy 2 boxes. Okay, my dear students, thank you for watching, and I hope I clarify and simplify the question for you and help you to get a high mark, inshallah, in the Kangaroo Math Competition test. This is Muhammad Khair again, and I hope you get the full benefit from me and see you in the next questions. Goodbye.